guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be on how to choose the right brushes for beginner watercolors. When you first start out doing watercolor, you want to make sure you have the right brushes for the right type of art you're going to be making. For watercolor, you want to have watercolor brushes, acrylic brushes, and oil brushes. When you're first starting off watercolor, you want to choose what type of watercolor art are you going to do. When you do people, you're going to want to have some thin brushes. For instance, I have these two brushes. This is the tight spot brush. You can use this brush for when you're doing facial features. Another paintbrush is a spotter, which is also good for detail. So when you're first trying to find out what brushes you would like, you got to choose between landscape and portrait. Portrait, you're going to want a lot of detail brushes for facial features, and you're also going to want some wide brushes for when you do backgrounds, and flat brushes for when you're going to be doing backgrounds. And you can get water brushes when you know you're going to be traveling quite some time. They're good because it has a little barrel here for you to fill up with water and then the brush. So overall, when you're trying to pick out your first brushes, it depends on what type of art you want to do. Landscape, or you do nice grassy areas, or people. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe and click that like button. Make sure to comment down below any other videos you would like to see next, and I'll see you in my next video.